In the deep sea, where sunlight fades and silence reigns, strange lights begin to glow. They drift like living moons, ignite like fire beneath the waves, and shine as some of the most alien and mesmerizing creatures in the ocean. Jellyfish exist at every scale, from fingernail-sized killers to giants with tentacles longer than a bus. But beneath their beauty lies a deadly truth. Some carry venom powerful enough to kill a human. Some can reshape their bodies like liquid ghosts, and some remain so mysterious that science has yet to understand them. With no brain, no bones, and no blood, their biology defies everything we know about life. They glow, regenerate, and some can even reverse the aging process. In this documentary, we dive into the deep sea to reveal the hidden world of jellyfish. Among the many species of jellyfish, the moon jellyfish stands as one of the most recognized and extensively studied. Renowned for its ethereal, translucent beauty and graceful pulsations, the moon jellyfish appears almost ghost-like as it drifts through coastal waters. Its nearly transparent saucer-shaped bell can grow up to 30 to 40 centimeters in diameter, often pale blue or softly pink. The bell reveals 4 distinct horseshoe-shaped gonads visible beneath the surface, a signature feature that adds to its delicate and otherworldly appearance. Unlike jellyfish with long, trailing tentacles, the moon jellyfish has short, fringe-like tentacles lining the edge of its bell. These tentacles are armed with specialized stinging cells, known as nematocysts, which it uses to capture tiny drifting prey. Moon jellyfish are found in oceans across the globe, particularly in coastal waters and estuaries. They thrive in both temperate and tropical regions, but can also survive in cooler waters, a testament to their remarkable adaptability. Their diet consists mainly of small planktonic organisms, including tiny shrimp, fish larvae, and microscopic life forms that drift with ocean currents. Despite their gentle appearance, moon jellyfish are efficient feeders. Their life cycle is surprisingly complex, involving both sexual and asexual reproduction. Adult jellyfish, known as medusae, reproduce sexually by releasing eggs and sperm into the surrounding water, where fertilization takes place. One of the most fascinating aspects of the moon jellyfish is its ability to regenerate. If part of its bell or tentacles is damaged, the jellyfish can often regrow the missing tissue, making it a powerful symbol of resilience and survival in the ocean. While moon jellyfish play an important role in the marine food web, massive population blooms can sometimes disrupt local ecosystems. By consuming large quantities of plankton, a critical food source for many marine species, these blooms can alter the balance of life in coastal waters. Comb jellies are some of the ocean's most mesmerizing inhabitants. Often mistaken for jellyfish because of their gelatinous, transparent bodies, comb jellies are, in fact, a completely different group of animals. They get their name from the 8 distinct rows of tiny hair-like structures called ctenes or combs that run along their bodies. These combs beat in perfect coordination, propelling the animal gracefully through the water. As the combs move, they bend and scatter light, creating shimmering rainbow-like patterns that ripple across the surface of the body. This dazzling display is not bioluminescence, but a natural optical effect, one that makes comb jellies appear as living prisms drifting through the sea. Most comb jellies are nearly transparent, allowing them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. This invisibility helps protect them from predators while also aiding in ambushing unsuspecting prey. Comb jellies inhabit oceans across the globe, from sunlit surface waters to the dark depths of the deep sea. Some species prefer coastal environments, while others thrive in the open ocean or in near total darkness far below. The Portuguese man-o'-war is one of the most fascinating and feared creatures of the sea. Often mistaken for a jellyfish, it is actually a colonial organism made up of specialized, interconnected animals known as zooids or polyps. Together, these polyps function as a single organism, with each individual unit performing a specific role, from feeding and reproduction to defense. The Portuguese man-o'-war is found in warm tropical and subtropical waters across the world's oceans, particularly in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. Its long, trailing tentacles deliver an extremely painful sting, capable of causing severe reactions such as intense pain, fever, shock, and, in rare cases, heart complications. While fatalities are uncommon, encounters can be dangerous, especially for sensitive individuals. Unlike true jellyfish, the Portuguese man-o'-war reproduces through budding, forming colonies of genetically identical polyps that remain permanently connected. Despite its jellyfish-like appearance, this jellyfish belongs to a group known as Ctenophores, colonies of specialized organisms working together so seamlessly that they appear to be a single living being. The Irukandji jellyfish is among the smallest, yet most dangerous, jellyfish species on Earth. Despite its almost invisible size, this tiny creature delivers a sting that can be life-threatening. This jellyfish measures just 1 to 2.5 centimeters across, smaller than a human fingernail. Nearly transparent, it is almost impossible to see in the water, making accidental encounters frighteningly easy. But do not be deceived by its size. From its tiny bell extend long, delicate tentacles that can reach up to 1 meter in length. These tentacles are lined with venomous stinging cells, capable of injecting powerful toxins into their victims. This jellyfish are found primarily in the waters of northern Australia, especially near the Great Barrier Reef, as well as in parts of Southeast Asia. A sting from the Irukandji jellyfish can trigger a severe reaction known as Irukandji syndrome. Victims may experience excruciating pain, intense muscle cramps, nausea, vomiting, difficulty breathing, and dangerously high blood pressure. In Australia alone, an estimated 50 to 100 people are affected every year. In severe cases, the venom can lead to heart failure and even death. Unlike their smaller counterparts, box jellyfish are known for their larger size, striking appearance, and extraordinarily powerful venom. They are widely regarded as some of the most dangerous marine animals in the world. Box jellyfish inhabit warm coastal waters throughout the Indo-Pacific region, including northern Australia, Thailand, Malaysia, the Philippines, and Indonesia. They are named for the distinctly box-shaped bell, which can grow up to 30 centimeters in diameter. From each corner of the bell extend bundles of tentacles, up to 15 per corner, with some tentacles stretching as long as 3 meters. These tentacles are armed with millions of microscopic stinging cells, known as nematocysts. When triggered, they inject one of the most potent venoms found in the animal kingdom. Box jellyfish venom attacks multiple systems in the body simultaneously, targeting the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. A severe sting can cause overwhelming pain, rapid collapse, and in extreme cases, cardiac arrest within minutes. But venom is not their only remarkable trait. Unlike most jellyfish, box jellyfish possess a highly advanced visual system. They have 24 eyes, arranged into 4 clusters called rhopalia. These include simple light-sensing organs, as well as complex lens eyes capable of detecting shapes and movement. This unexpected visual ability allows box jellyfish to actively navigate their environment, avoid obstacles, and locate prey, making them far more intentional and effective hunters than other jellyfish species. While creatures like the Irukandji and box jellyfish are infamous for their deadly nature, they represent just one extreme of the jellyfish world. But beyond their dangerous side, jellyfish reveal another face, one filled with beauty, mystery, and wonder. Now, we descend deeper into the ocean to encounter some of the most incredible and rarely seen jellyfish on Earth. The Atolla jellyfish, also known as the crown jellyfish, is one of the most extraordinary inhabitants of the deep sea. It is commonly found across the world's oceans, primarily within the mesopelagic zone, often called the twilight zone, a realm stretching from 200 to over 5,000 meters beneath the surface. In this lightless world, Atolla has evolved one of the ocean's most dramatic defense mechanisms. When threatened, the Atolla jellyfish unleashes a stunning bioluminescent display, emitting spiraling flashes of blue-green light. This phenomenon, known as the burglar alarm effect, is believed to attract larger predators to the area, predators that may attack the jellyfish's original assailant, giving Atolla a chance to escape. Far deeper, in the icy darkness of the Southern Ocean, lives one of the strangest jellyfish ever observed, the Deepstaria Jellyfish. Found primarily near Antarctica and at depths ranging from 600 to 1,750 meters, Deepstaria inhabits waters where temperatures hover near freezing and sunlight never penetrates. First described in 1967, this elusive jellyfish remains one of the least understood species in the ocean, due to both its rarity and the extreme conditions of its habitat. What makes Deepstaria truly remarkable is its shape-shifting ability. Its bell is made of an exceptionally thin, flexible membrane that can expand, collapse, and fold in on itself. Unlike the rigid symmetry seen in most jellyfish, Deepstaria's body appears to morph continuously, as though it is changing form in real time. The genus Deepstaria was named after the deep-sea submersible Deep Star 4000, which played a key role in the earliest observations of this otherworldly creature. Among all jellyfish, none is more extraordinary than the Immortal Jellyfish, a species that appears to defy aging itself. This tiny jellyfish, measuring just 4.5 millimeters in diameter, is barely the size of a fingernail. First discovered in the Mediterranean Sea, it has since spread to oceans around the world, particularly in warm and temperate waters. What sets the Immortal Jellyfish apart is its astonishing ability to reverse its life cycle. When stressed, injured, or nearing death, it can undergo a process called transdifferentiation, in which its adult cells transform into different cell types. Through this process, the jellyfish reverts back to its juvenile polyp stage, effectively starting its life over again. In theory, this cycle can repeat indefinitely, making the species biologically immortal. However, despite this remarkable ability, the immortal jellyfish can still fall victim to disease, predators, or environmental changes. Although scientists have studied this phenomenon, how often this transformation occurs in nature and the precise mechanisms behind it remain largely mysterious. And finally, we arrive at one of the most mysterious jellyfish ever recorded. At a depth of 1,469 meters, scientists from the Ocean Exploration Trust made an extraordinary discovery during a Pacific Ocean expedition near Kingman Reef on May 31st. Drifting slowly through the darkness was a strange, haunting jellyfish unlike any seen before. The species had never been fully classified. With the help of midwater expert Dr. Dougal Lindsay, researchers identified it as belonging to the order Narcomedusae, representing an undescribed species within the genus Buria. What makes this jellyfish truly unique are the 3 long tentacles extending from the top of its bell, a rare and unusual feature. These tentacles are believed to be used to hunt other jellyfish and even sea cucumbers. This sighting marked only the second known encounter with this extraordinary creature. Its discovery highlights the vast biodiversity of the deep sea and serves as a powerful reminder that some of the ocean's greatest wonders are still hidden, drifting silently beyond the reach of human eyes.